Hello, this is John Bagwell, and welcome to my training lesson, If I Were Broke and Needed to Make Money Quickly. This screenshot is basically the steps you need to take and in what order. You need to find a hot affiliate product. Number two, you need to reverse analyze a niche for purchase demand, because it makes no sense to put time into a project if no one wants to purchase your product. So it's extremely important to reverse analyze your niche to examine purchase demand. And number three, I would create posts, pins, videos on free marketing channels every day. Blog and forums, pin and Pinterest, make YouTube videos, make TikTok videos, create Facebook fan page posts, and in groups, and build a blog. That's what I would do every day until the money started trickling in. It's going to start like $100 a week, and then you're going to make it to $1,000 a month, and you just put in more time, and soon it's a snowball effect, and you're going to make a great deal of money over time. It's not going to happen super quickly, making $10,000 or $20,000 a month. But once you put the time in, the money will come in. So, making money quickly can be done, but you're only going to make a few $100s initially quickly. Then you'll make it to the $1,000 a month level, and then the $2,000 and $3,000, and all of a sudden it'll snowball effect, and you start making a lot of money. That's the truth. That's the reality of making money online, especially when you're on a strict low or zero budget. Now, if you borrow money from the federal government as an example, okay, your goals can be attained quicker. However, for most of you, this 3 steps is what you need to do to make money online quickly. That's it. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed the training lesson. I will see you in the next video lesson. Thank you.